Just up in, excuse me, just up in northern BC on Highway 37, and had a little bit of snow. Stayed in Watson Lake last night, up in the Yukon, and this road here is about 30 kilometers west of Watson Lake, and then it's 730 kilometers south back into BC, and then I believe it's called Kitawanga. But anyway, it's really windy here right now. I'm not sure why, but looks like there could be a storm. Possibly this way, but it is nice out. It's +8. Beautiful area. I was up this road years ago, about 6-7 years ago, but I don't remember this spot. But it's absolutely beautiful. Great place to camp, so on and so forth.